Welcome to today's video, where we'll dive into an essential topic for students: passive income. Whether you're juggling classes or just looking to boost your bank account, learning how to earn money passively can be a game changer. In this video, I'll walk you through 10 practical and achievable ways to generate income without sacrificing your study time. From investing in dividend stocks to creating digital products, there's something for everyone. So sit back, take notes, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated on more tips and tricks for student success. Number 10. Peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending involves lending money to individuals or small businesses through online platforms. As a student, you can invest a portion of your savings in peer-to-peer lending platforms, which then lend your money to borrowers. In return, you earn interest on the money you've lent out. It's a way to earn passive income by leveraging your savings without needing to actively manage investments. However, it does involve some level of risk, so thorough research is essential. Number 9. Dividend investing. Dividend investing involves purchasing stocks that pay dividends to shareholders. As a student, you can start investing in dividend-paying companies through brokerage accounts or dividend reinvestment plans, DRIPs. By owning shares of these companies, you earn passive income in the form of regular dividend payments. Over time, you can reinvest these dividends to purchase more shares, compounding your earnings and building long-term wealth while focusing on your studies. Number 8. Rental property. Investing in rental property involves purchasing real estate, such as apartments or houses, and renting them out to tenants. As a student, you can either own the property outright or invest through a real estate crowdfunding platform. Rental income from tenants provides a steady stream of passive income, although managing the property and dealing with tenant issues may require some time and effort. Number 7. YouTube channel. Creating a YouTube channel involves producing and uploading videos on topics you're passionate about. Whether it's tutorials, reviews, or entertaining content, YouTube offers monetization options like ads, sponsorships, and merchandise sales. With consistency and engaging content, your channel can attract a wide audience over time, generating passive income through ad revenue and other monetization strategies while you focus on your studies. Number 6. Creating online courses. Creating online courses involves leveraging your expertise in a particular subject to develop educational content that people are willing to pay for. As a student, you can utilize your knowledge and skills in various subjects to create engaging and informative courses. Platforms like Udemy, Coursera, and Teachable allow you to upload your course materials and reach a wide audience. Once published, you can earn passive income as students enroll in your courses and purchase them over time. Number 5. Ebooks publishing. With ebook publishing, you can create digital books on various topics and sell them online. As a student, you can write about subjects you're passionate about or knowledgeable in. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing, KDP, allow you to self-publish your work easily. Once your ebooks are up for sale, you earn royalties for each copy sold, providing a source of passive income while you focus on your studies. Number 4. Stock photography. Stock photography involves capturing and selling high-quality images online. As a student, you can leverage your photography skills to create a portfolio of diverse and appealing images. These can be sold through stock photography websites such as Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, or Getty Images. Each time someone purchases your photo, you earn a royalty, providing a passive income stream while you focus on your studies. Number 3. Affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services through unique referral links. As a student, you can sign up for affiliate programs with companies relevant to your interests or niche. Once approved, you'll receive a special link. When someone purchases through your link, you earn a commission. This can be done through social media, blogs, or websites. With dedication, it can become a lucrative source of passive income. Number 2. Blogging. Blogging involves creating and regularly updating a website with written content on a specific niche or topic. As a student, you can monetize your blog through various means such as affiliate marketing, sponsored posts, selling digital products, or displaying ads. By consistently producing high-quality content that attracts a steady stream of readers, you can generate passive income through ad revenue and affiliate commissions while focusing on your studies. Number 1. Online tutoring. Online tutoring involves leveraging your expertise in a particular subject to teach others remotely. As a student, you can offer tutoring services to fellow students or even younger learners. Platforms like Zoom, Skype, or specialized tutoring websites facilitate these sessions. It's a flexible way to earn income, as you can schedule sessions around your own study time, and it allows you to deepen your understanding of the subjects you teach while helping others succeed academically. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button